Good morning, my dear students of class 4th. Today we are going to start our social studies class, and today we are going to discuss the chapter 1. In the chapter 1, the name of chapter is India, location and its neighbors. Location स्थिति and the neighbors means उसके पड़ोसी. India forms a part of South Asia and is separated from it by the Himalaya. It has varied relief features, consists of mountain, plains, plateau and island. जो इंडिया है ये साउथ एशिया से सेपरेटेड हुआ है बाय द हिमालय. इट हैज़ द वेरिड रिलीफ फीचर्स और इसमें बहुत सारे फीचर्स हैं जो सुविधा है like plain, plateaus, mountains and Iceland. Now we know the location. Before knowing the location, we have to know the direction in the map. So let me see the direction. The top direction that is known as the north and the downward it is known as the south, and the right hand side our that is known as east, and the left hand side there we have the west direction. Okay student, so let's we see how it the extends. It extends from 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north latitude, which is known as its longitudinal extent, which is known as its longitudinal extent. So first we have to know the latitude and longitude. Okay, so the vertically extent in our map that is known as latitude. Vertically extension means the north to south direction. Okay student, and next we have longitudinal extents. Longitudinal extents means the extents from the east to west or the west to east, means the horizontal. We know the horizontal. Okay, so now we have next is longitudinal extent from the east to west. There is this direction and there is we have the west direction, means from the east direction to west direction extends, means like this. This extends is from 68 degree to the east 97 degree east. Its north to south extent is 3214 kilometer. North to south extent means there we have north and here we have the south. From here to here the total extends, north to south extends is 3214 kilometer, while it east to west extends is 2933 kilometer. The extents of east to west, there is from here east to west extent is the 293 kilometer. Extents means होता है विस्तार. The topic of Cancer pass through the middle of the country, divide into two halves. The tropical of Cancer, that is pass the middle of the countries, देश के middle से divide. It's like the northern hemisphere.